Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you this betta tank for betta fish, and I specially get it for my daughter because it's her birthday and she wanted a pet on her birthday as a gift. So we got this betta fish which has less maintenance, and we got this tank. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install, set up the tank for the betta fish, as well as the review about this tank. And I got it from PetSmart only for $24.99. It's just 25 bucks, and I gave a couple of ornaments like accessories. These are $5 each.
And this is the fish rock.
This is
It's my birthday!
it's her birthday, so she's super excited.
And this is the fish food, and this is the fish.
And the fish is betta fish already. We got it.
Yeah, and his name is Nemo.
Right. So in this video I'm going to set up this tank, and then we'll put this one.
Yeah, and we're gonna add some water.
Right. So
And we also have a heater somewhere.
right. So let's check first what comes inside this box. This is $25, and these all are separate. These are $5 each. The gravel is I think $7, and the fish costed me 10 bucks only. So these are all separate. First I'm going to check what comes inside the box. Let's check it out, and then we'll do the setup.
Yeah.
So friends, let's check out what comes inside this box. It's $25. It's supposed to have LED light and filter, everything together.
Yeah.
So you can see this is the filter, and this is the cover, and you can see this comes with the LED light. This light is already here. This is the LED light. This is the filter, and this is the tank. This tank is 1 gallon tank, friends. Again, this is 1 gallon tank.
And this is super big.
This is super big. This is for 1 gallon tank. I'm not sure what is this. Let's check out. Oh, this is the adapter, power adapter. This power adapter is to turn on the light, the LED light, this LED light. So this is for that, and the filter is there too. So, and I checked in PetSmart, this filters, this is actually the size is EFS. You can see this is the EFS. This filter, three of them cost $10, but you can check even on Amazon and some other places how much that will cost. This is the filter for this. And let's open the tank. Thanks. So this is the tank, and this is the instruction. Make sure you go through the instruction. You go through the instruction always. That's what I do.
So you can know what you do, what it's about.
Right. So
And this will look like a triangle.
this is the triangle. Nice. So friends, the main thing is the filter installation, and I just went through the instructions. So I'll show you all the steps when I am installing the filter. First, we are going to pour water, do the decoration, and then pour the water. Before I pour the water, I just want to do a quick rinse. No soap. Make sure you don't use any soap for fish kind of tank. That is common. Don't use any soap. I'll just rinse it. I'll just rinse it with plain water. Then we'll do the decoration, and then we will pour the water. So let's just rinse it, and then I'll show you the decoration part. So friends, I just rinsed it. Now let me pour the gravel. Actually, I also checked this one. This doesn't have any leakage or anything, so this is good. And before even I do all this, I want to make sure this one works. This LED light is good or not. So let me power it up.
If it doesn't work, that means we're scammed.
Right.
So we don't want anything scammed.
Right.
Nothing was scammed in all the time years.
So I'm connecting to the power and then turn it on. Yeah, the LED light is working fine.
So we're not scared.
So we are good on this part. So let's keep it separate. We don't need it right now. So now our first step is, let's open this one
With a knife.
with a knife. Again, this kind of decoration, it's all depends on you. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, you could add anything what fishes like, but nothing that is not for fish.
Yes. So I'm gonna pour this one somewhere here. And next is this one.
This one it looks kind of like a seahorse.
Right. So, and I'm gonna put this plant here.
Yeah, but
That's
there's
it.
not enough space.
There's not enough space. This is more than enough for a 1 gallon tank. Maybe in future we will put one by one, but right now, yeah, we'll go like this.
Whoa!
I think this is more than enough gravel, friends.
So we have to move it.
We cannot use that much gravel. I think we should remove some. So,
Yeah, and there's not enough space, so we have to put one away.
right, let me take out some gravel. The one bag gravel is more than enough for this 1 gallon tank. Friends, so we changed our mind because we didn't expect this one that small. It's like kind of our guess was not right. So we remove one of the plant, and this is the plant currently, and this gravel is good. I think that's good height. So this is ready, and if you look at here, this is the water that I'm gonna pour in this, and I put the fish on the water so that the temperature, water temperature, can come very close. Otherwise that will be very bad for the fish. You need to make sure when you are transferring a fish from one place to a tank, you need to make sure that water temperature is close. So this is one easiest way to make them close, is you pour the tank, put the pot in this water, and then just keep it for some time, 5-10 minutes. Then the water temperature will come close and the fish can easily survive on that. So let's wait for a little bit more longer. Then we'll pour the water in this water, same water will come here, and then I will release the fish. So friends, it's been enough time, so I think the temperature is now good, both temperature merged. Now it's the time to pour the water, and while pouring, make sure you don't destroy anything. That's why I'm using my hand. I need little more water. Friends, as you can see from here, this is the water pouring is done. I still put that this one in here because I want to make the temperature close to that. So I'm gonna keep it like this for a little bit of time. In the meantime, we can set up the filter. I can set up the filter, and so let me show you what to do while setting up the filter. So this is the filter, and you can see this one, there's a front. See, front, the front should be facing the front. The front should be facing the front. That's what they mentioned here. The front should be facing the front means this one. This is the water out, so that's how the front should be. So just put it here. You can see the lines. You can simply just put it here. That's nothing, but the main thing is the front should be facing the front, and this will come out. So let's check if the filter is working fine or not. This is another test which I'm going to do right now. And I have to put the this one somewhere. I'm not sure where to put. Maybe here. Or friends, you can see this is the actual place for the filter. Let me remove the fish from here, and you can see there is a lock here, two locks. That is for the filter to go fit in here, and it fits nicely here. So it is good. It is good, and you can see the cover will come like this. This will be the cover, so it will be looking good like this, something like this. But let me take out the cover right now, and let me put the fish back again in the water and connect the filter. Let me connect the filter to the power line. Yes, I heard the filter is working. I heard the sound. You can see the water is flowing. So that means the filter is working. So the tank, everything looks good. The tank, everything looks good to me. Only thing is, now give it 5-10 minutes more, then I'll release the fish. And I don't want to put this water because this water is already dirty, and I just want to release the fish in that. This water is already dirty, so I'll just only release the fish. So let it put it for 5 more minutes, and then we'll do that. So friends, now it's the time to release the fish. I think the water temperature is very close, so I don't think any problem will happen.
Yep.
And as I mentioned, I don't want to pour this water because this water is not good enough, not that good. But I'm not sure how can I pour the fish. Let me pour him. Let me pour him. Yep. I poured the fish. Now the fish is in the tank. Hi sir. Hello sir. How are you sir?
Can we read the name tag?
Yes. Rodula, what is the name of that fish?
Nemo.
Nemo?
Yes, and the last name is Leo.
Last name is Leo?
Yes, we're
Good.
going to put a name tag so we don't forget it.
Yes, we're gonna put a name tag on it.
So we don't forget the name
Right.
of him.
So I put the filter again.
Can we put it?
Yeah, right. So the filtration system is on now. You can see the fish. Let me put the cover on. The cover is on.
Yes.
And let me connect it.
Doesn't it heat?
Doesn't need heat right now.
For later.
Later, you can sit here. And friends, this is the current condition of the fish. You can see the fish is here.
Oh, it actually looks like a real aquarium.
It looks like a real aquarium.
And we could kind of see it for into time.
Yes.
Did he die?
So friends, here is the current situation. Adula, do you like it?
Yes, it's actually the rainbow fish.
It's actually rainbow fish.
Yeah, because I could see more color.
You can see more color.
Yeah.
It got a new home.
Yes, he's actually 1 year old.
He's 1 year old.
Yeah, because today's his also birthday.
Today is also his birthday. Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
So I'm older than him.
Yes. So that's the fish currently. And friends, you can see one more feature is you can put food through here, through this one.
Yeah.
So this is something nice.
This is what I knew.
Yeah. And so that's about this friend. This looks nice. This is a very good kit.
Yes.
Only $25.
And this is only for me, but my daddy will help me put the food in.
Right. So this is really good good thing, and for starter this is really nice, and only $25 comes with the filter plus the LED light.
And it's actually like so cute and so cool.
Right, it's so cool and so cute. So
Yeah, the fish is like so cute to everything.
right.
And it's so cool with the rainbow fish too.
Right. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Please like and subscribe and share to this channel. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.